bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Fetal hiccups in the womb feel like gentle rhythmic pulsing caused by the baby's diaphragm contracting. They're different from baby kicks, which are stronger and more irregular. Most parents notice these hiccups during the second or third trimester, and they're a good sign of healthy development. So yes, you can really feel hiccups inside the womb, distinct from baby kicks.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.